The NAJA 3D is one of the world's most accurate and user-friendly solutions for rapid diagnostics, repairs, and reconstruction of today's vehicles. The NAJA 3D is able to instantaneously record highly accurate measurements of the undercarriage, as well as the upper body via Bluetooth communication. For a pre-repair diagnostic evaluation, the NAJA head sliding along a rail is placed on the mobile support, or gazelle, beneath the vehicle while suspended on a 2-post lift. The head and the rail can also be placed on all Celette straightening equipment. The NAJA 3D records points with no risk. Indicators of green for good and red for faulty measurements are displayed in the software along with an audible confirmation. During the repair process, the NAJA 3D is capable of making live measurements with the magnetic socket. While making pulls, indicated direction displayed sound signal will indicate that the point is back to the original location. The measured data can then be stored in the Celette cloud for future reference during the repair. Also included with the NAJA 3D is a database of OEM 3D CAD schematics to ensure precision and accuracy. Quickly analyze damage with rotating 3D diagrams from all angles, distances, and viewpoints to better understand the damage. NAJA can create screenshots and versatile reports that can be tailored for adjusters, technicians, and customers to comprehend. For more information on the products featured in this video, visit www.celette.com.